Hello viewers, today I'm again here with set theory's basic concepts. We will have a quick look at the basic concepts of set theory, but before moving on to that, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any regular updates from our channel. Okay, now let's move on to the basic concepts. First, set theory. What do we mean by set first? It is nothing but a collection of objects. These objects could be anything conceivable, including numbers, letters, colors, even set themselves. However, none of the object of the set can be the set itself. Okay, so we can say it is a collection of objects. Now, what or how to notate a set? How to give notation to a set? We write sets using braces and denote them with capital letter. The most natural way to describe sets is by listing all its members. You can have a look at the example. Capital A equal to within braces 1 to 10 written is the set of all the 10 counting numbers, first 10 counting numbers or naturals. Another set B having within braces the objects as red, blue, green is the set of primary colors. Now n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on within braces is the set of all naturals, and a Z which is again a set. Now a well defined set, what do we mean by a well defined set? Well defined means it must be absolutely clear that which object belongs to the set and which does not. That means defining the set properly. Okay, that is your well defined set. Here we have next set equality. When two sets are said to be equal, it means that both the sets have same and exact number of elements. Here, if and only if, it means that the two statements of both the sets have the exact same elements and the numbers of the elements are also same. Here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 8, 6, 2 may be written in a different order, but they are same set, equal set. Now null set, a very important set is the empty set. The null set which has no elements, we denote the empty set by phi, intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B is denoted by A intersection B. It's like upside down U, and you can say that intersection means both the elements of A and B in common. Okay, now you can see a set A 1 to 5, set B 2, 4, 6, 8. So which is common here is 2 and 4. So that is the intersection between the two set. Next, union of set. When two set unites means both the member A and B, both the sets A and B, members of set A and B are included. That means 1 to 5, 2, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1 to 5, then 6, 8, 10 is there. That means the common elements will be deleted once and common element will be given once, and rest of all the elements of A and B will be there in the union. It unites the set. Difference of the set. Set A you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5 will be eliminated in A minus B. So you will be left with 1 and 4. The difference of the set A and B is written as A minus B and is the set of elements belonging to the set A and not to set B. Clearly mentioned with the example. 2, 3, 5, that is the elements of B will be deleted from A. Next, Cartesian product of sets. Two set A and B are having Cartesian product is defined as a ordered pair A comma B, where A is every element or in capital A and B is every element in capital B. You can take two set 1, 2, A set and B set 4, 5, 6 written. So the Cartesian product will look like 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, then 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. This is the collection of ordered pairs. Solved question. There is one question in front of you, a universal set given, and then set B is there, C is there, A is there, D, E, F. A to F, these sets are given to you. Just write it down somewhere so that you can do the workout. There is a universal set given, then there is A to F sets given. Here we can see that C, D, E have the terms which are there in U. Therefore, C, D and E are the subsets of U. Okay. So the universal set is given. There are various sets A to F is given to you, and you are asked to find out the subset of the set. The next question, let A and B be two finite sets such that number of elements in A is 20, B is 28, A union B 36. You have to find how many numbers of elements are there in A intersection B. There is a formula for this. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So, how you will proceed? You have to write the formula first, then you put the values of the values in the formula. So, 20 plus 28 minus 36, you are getting 12. Okay. Always remember, number of elements in A intersection B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A union B. Take this is one formula where you are just using your givens and getting the answer. Next question. In a group of 60 people, 27 like cold drink and 42 like hot drinks, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many like both coffee and tea? See, it is the same problem, including two elements, like two sets A and B. Consider A as the person liking cold drink, B set having person who like hot drinks. So union of the two, intersection of the two, and number of elements in A, number of elements in B is given. You just solve it out. Okay. Then again another question. In a competition, a school awarded medals in different categories. 36 medal in dance, 12 in dramatics, 18 medal in music. You can consider dance as A, dramatics B, and music as C. These are three sets. Number of elements are given. Common members elements are also given. Like you can see, number of elements in A is 36, B is 12, C is 18. Number of A union B union C is 45, A intersection B intersection C is 4. It's according to the question you are getting these values. Now using these values you have to find out whatever asked in the question. Okay. Now when you are finding out what is asked in the question, you have to use the formula. The basic formula here is here it is asked the number of elements belonging to exactly two of the three sets A, B, C is n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection C minus 3 into n of A intersection B intersection C. You have the values with you. Those values you just put and get the answer. Okay? You have to write it down. Just by hearing you will not be able to. Just write it down, solve it out. Okay? With this I am ending this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming up. Please be with us to have more updates.